Hey people, thank you once again for joining us. Happy Wednesday from me to you. Today's video is a dress with me video and a makeup tutorial video, and also I'm going to be telling you 3 secrets on how to have a perfect makeup in the summer season. Sun don't have to be a reason why you shouldn't wear makeup. This video will tell you the 3 tips that will give you a perfect makeup for the summer. If this is what you want to see, you want to know how I transform myself like this, sit back.
Waited for, oh, you make me touch the sky when I'm down. 'Cause when I'm with you, I'm fine. When you go, I'm sad. I like my life with you. 'Cause you're my one love, and I'm not saying that.
So guys, how do I look? Can you notice the transformation? I can see a lot of transformation in me. I really want to say thank you guys for sitting back to watch. If you have any question regarding to this makeup, put it on the comment section, or you have any other question regarding beauty tips about hair, any question that will help you to know more on how to define the beauty in you, put it on the comment section. We'll definitely come to that and give you the answer. The products I use, I'm going to be listing the names on the description box. They are just normal druggery store products, not expensive, not special, not extraordinary. This is the makeup I'll be using today for a sunny day. 40 degree is going to be very hot later, but trust you, with this type of makeup you will not sweat on your face, you will not have breakage of makeup, you will also not have sunburn, because before we start, we protect our skin against sun. I've been able to achieve a perfect look today. I love myself. I'm really happy. The makeup is not so loud, it's calm, it's for everyday look, because I didn't apply too much color or to really make it too loud. So I love it, and I know you love it too. Hope you were able to learn 1 or 2, 3 tips from this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for always keeping up with the M&S Beauty Concept family. I say I love you. Stay safe, stay protected, give love, share love, and love will come to you. Till then, stay safe. See you on Wednesday next week, 6 p.m. Central Europe time. From now, I say bye-bye. Bye-bye.